Hello, happy International Women's Day. Right? That's like a long sentence. That is why I'm rocking purple today. I think that's like the color. I keep seeing the purple everywhere. So I'm like, hello, we're doing purple. I've got the silver violet on my eyes and the lilac lacquer on my lips, and I am loving it. Like, I was like, I'm gonna look so crazy today because of all this purple, but I like it. It's not crazy, right? Do people wear purple on a normal basis? It's fine, right? Okay, well, I'm just gonna go with it. I'm rocking it. Okay, so hopefully, hi Tori, hopefully you guys have been practicing all your contour and bronzing for your face shape. We never got around to highlight, so I'm like, hello, today's the perfect day. I'm gonna show you, hi Erin, 3 products, but this is obviously optional. I'm just like to show you guys variety. You can do everything that I'm about to do with one of these, okay? So first things first, I'm gonna do highlight under my eyes, okay? Tori, you know what? You gotta just try it. This is actually the first time I've ever tried the silver violet, or the violet, or I think it's silver violet, I'm not sure. But anyways, you just try it and play with it and see what happens. All right, so under eyes, you guys or if you've been watching me lately, I've been really lazy lately and just using the candlelight under my eyes. So I'm still gonna do that. I just like to draw like a little line right here to like cover up. That's where I have those like dark bags. Hi, Jessie. So that's what I'm gonna do there. But I also just love our light concealer so much. I'm actually like running low on it. I gotta tap some out. I love our concealer so much because it's so velvety and creamy that this is what I usually use, but it's not quite bright enough, so I'm gonna show you like how I mix it. Again, you don't have to do all this. You can just pick one and get the similar results, but because the shadows can be drying, especially if you're new to Senogen's liquid cosmetics, adding this or just using the concealer period is really good because it gives you like, you just get a little bit further. Okay, so back to face shape. I have a long face. I don't want it to look so long. So I'm not going to draw that V under my eye. That V is what's gonna like elongate your face, and I don't want that. So I'm literally staying right, like I'm just like tapping this brush on my bags. I should have done one eye to show you guys first, darn it. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is just kind of blend and then take it to the side of my face. And since instead of going down, I'm going wide to kind of widen my face. Does that make sense? Because I have such a narrow, wide face. Can you tell? I should have just done one eye. Darn it. Can you tell at all? See this side, how it looks wider versus this side still has like my bronzer and blush on it. And this, oh, you can't really tell. Good? Not yet. If you have a rounder or shorter face, you would take this lower into that V. And I like, this is like something I do every day. Not like this slow and intense, but I take like a quick stripe. Hi, Lisa. Of that candlelight and put it down here, and I literally just take this brush and blend it out real fast. Oh man, I'm getting stuff all over. Need to check in the mirror here real quick. All right, so I think this is actually like an eyeshadow brush, and I just use it under my eyes to blend. And I actually usually do this first before my blush and bronzer, but for time purposes, I did that first, so I'm gonna take my blush bronzer thing and just go over that again. Okay. See how like bright and awake I am now? Okay, great. The second thing I like to do, oh, did you see me take that extra? So like, I usually do a little bit here and then a little bit here. Again, if you remember, like I don't need to highlight my large, long nose already. So I'm just staying up here because I want this to look a little bit bigger and wider. Versus like, don't look here, look here. Hi, Steffi, are you on lunch break? How are you watching this right now? Okay, second, did I just already say that? Second thing I like to do is take the Sandstone Pearl Shimmer which is so good for so many things. You can use the same brush, or I am going to, hi Whitney, another Lisa, and Gina, and Bethany, hello, hello. So this shadow, okay, important, there's a tip here. This shadow I've had literally since I've started Senegence for 2 years, and it just started getting like dry and almost gone. So I took a pump of pearlizer, which is a whole nother video. I could go on about this forever. I put a pump of it in my shadow. If you ever run low on your shadow, message me first. Do not throw it away, because you get a whole new thing out of it. So it's like back to life. There's liquid on here again. I'm taking it, I'm putting a little bit under my brow bone. Can you see a difference? Sometimes it's so hard in the camera. There should be a little shimmer there. Okay, just an extra pop. Again, we all want our eyes to pop a little bit more, right? Oh, yeah! Okay, I also love to take a little highlight above my lip. It makes just your lip look a little bit bigger, which I also need because my upper lip honestly is like non-existent until I have lip sense on, and then you can at least see a little bit. Okay, I usually do this before my lip sense, so I'm trying to be careful so I don't get it on my lips. Okay, a little bit on the chin maybe. You can do a little bit on the bridge of your nose, but you guys know I don't want to do that. And then I am going to take a little bit in the corner of my eye. I love doing this always also. Even if I don't have shadow on, if I have time just to do like a quick little dab in the center, it makes such a world of difference. Oh, no, can you see? I can see in my mirror. Can you see this eye at all? It kind of like popped a little bit. It's a little bit brighter. I don't know. Okay. I'm going to do the other eye though. Like, so quick. So easy, which I know it never looks like that in these videos, but that's because I'm talking. Okay, last thing I'm doing, the same thing with all that shimmer and pearlizer and everything. You can literally take this straight to your cheek, draw that line, see that? And you instantly have highlight. And I'm just gonna take a little fluffy brush, blend it out. You can take this all the way up to your brow bone. I'm like not a big highlight girl. I'm not like, I don't like all that like trendy like major highlighting up to the side of your eye, but if you want to, you totally can, because this is great. So simple, like literally you don't have to spend forever blending and doing all that crazy stuff. I'm just putting it right on top of my blush line. Hi Kimberly. So like up, see that line? And take a big fluffy brush, just like make little circles. Blend it out. Oh, done. We are done. Loosen up those curls. Okay. What do you guys think? Try out your highlight. Longer faces, make your highlight wider. Shorter, rounder faces, make your highlight longer. Make that little V that I used to always do. Okay, got it? I am going to spray. I've got a couple appointments at Bronze, and then I'm off to Bar to teach my Friday night classes. Enjoy your weekend. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you think of this look, or if you have any highlight questions, let me know. If you watch this, oh, I forgot. If you watch this, comment something, because I'm giving away a pearlizer. Hold on, let me find it. Oh, duh, the whole point of why I'm doing this pearlizer is that the shimmer. I have the big one. Oh my gosh, Steph, thanks. Pearlizer, which I should probably do a whole nother video for, but comment so I can give one of these away. I'll probably wait until tomorrow, so you guys all have time to watch this tonight, tomorrow morning. Good, yay, comment, and then I will pick tomorrow, so I can mail it out before noon, before the post office closes. Bethany, rewatch. It's the purple. Okay. Love you guys. Have a great weekend.